Hi everyone and welcome to our lessons. In today's lesson we're going to learn how to determine the equation of a parabola if the graph is given to us. Now that equation can be in this form, or this form. It depends on the information that is given to us. Now as you can see, this graph moved to the right, so it won't be this form. But now, which one of these two? Well, because we have the turning point, it makes sense for us to start with this type of equation, because if we have the turning point's coordinates, well, we already have P and Q. So let's do that. I'm going to write down fx is equal to a in brackets x plus p squared plus q. And then I can do substitution of the p and the q because we already have the turning point. So we're going to write fx is equal to a in brackets x, and what are we going to write in the place of p? Well, you are right. This x coordinate is a 2, so what are we going to write here? A minus 2. Very good. Close the bracket, squared, and then this y coordinate is a positive 3, so we keep it as a positive 3, so we write plus 3. And there it is. Now most of this equation is done. We only need to work out what a is. Now to get this a, we're going to make use of this other point on our parabola, which is 3 and 2. So in the place of our x, we're going to substitute 3, and in the place of y, we're going to substitute 2, and then we're going to work out a. So let's do that. In the place of y, I'm going to take this 2, and I'm going to put it in. There it is. Equals to a, and we're going to open up the bracket, and in the place of the x, I'm going to put this 3, and there it is, minus 2 in brackets squared plus 3. And now we're going to make a the subject of our formula. So here we have a 2, and if we take this constant to the other side, it becomes a minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1, is equal to a in brackets 3 minus 2, that gives us 1, and 1 squared is 1. So we've got 1a on this side left, and then minus 1 divided by 1 is a minus 1, and that is a. Now if you struggle to follow all my wording, you know how to work out a, so you can try it at home, but the answer will be minus 1. Okay, so a is minus 1, and we've done most of our work, so we can just say therefore fx is equal to, in the place of the a we're going to put the minus 1, and there it is. I don't have to write the 1, and you know why, right? Okay, so there's the minus, and then we have x minus 2 in brackets squared plus 3, and that is our equation done. Now I know some of you will ask, what if they said that it has to be in this form? Well, we're still going to work with this equation because that's the information that was given to us. But then once we have it, we can easily go from this form back to ax squared plus bx plus c. In a previous lesson you learned how, so we're simply going to do this product of two binomials, then we're going to multiply them with the distributive law, and we are going to add the constants, and we will have the answer. So let's do it. So again, when we have a minus at the front, we're just going to leave it there, and then we're going to do the product of two binomials first. So first times first is x squared. X times a minus 2 is a minus 2x, times a 2 gives us minus 4x, and minus 2 times minus 2 is a plus 4, and we close the bracket and we write the plus 3. Then we do the distributive law, and we're going to have a minus x squared, a plus 4x, a minus 4, and a minus 4 and a plus 3 will give us a minus 1. So fx is equal to minus x squared plus 4x minus 1. And there is our equation done. So we have it in this form now, as well as in that form, depending on what they ask. So what is important in this lesson? When we have to find the equation of a parabola, we always want to make sure about the information that was given and what information suits which equation the best. See you again next time. Bye.